Hey, to download iPhone keyboard theme on the Redmi Note 13, you have to open Google Play Store, click on the search pool, and input this phrase, green Apple keyboard. You can also pick this one from the quick recommendation. This is the application that we have to get from the Arvin Apps developer, and we have to click install. Now we have to wait for this downloading process and click open. From this, tap to enable in the settings. Now select green Apple keyboard and turn it on. Click OK. Then go back, tap to switch input methods and select green Apple keyboard and click OK. Now tap to finished. And from this we can also change themes, so we can get light, dark, red and blue. And now when you open the keyboard, you can actually find that you've got this iPhone keyboard with emojis. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.